Rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 11 today. Subject is zoology. And our today's topic is mitochondria. Dear students, as you know that our today's topic is mitochondria. This mitochondria, this term has been derived from two words. That is mitos, and chondria. In other words, we can say that it is a combination of two words, that's mitos and chondria. This mitos stands for thread, it means thread, and chondria means granule. Though we can say that mitochondria are the thread-like granules. In other words, we can say that this term mitochondria, it's in other words called the thread-like granules. As you know that this mitochondria is also called the powerhouse of the cell, that is secondary culture. Then the discovery of this mitochondria, who discovered this and when and why? The mitochondria has been for the first time observed by Coley Killer in 1898. This mitochondria for the first time is observed by Coley Killer in 1898 in the muscle cells of flying insects. Then the name mitochondria was given by Benda. Benda was another scientist who has given this mitochondria name as a mitochondria in 1945. So we can say that the mitochondria was for the first time observed by Coley Killer in 1898 in the muscle cells of the insects. Then the name given by mitochondria was given by Benda in 1945. Touch mobile. Though we can say that we are discussing mitochondria. This mitochondria, now the shape of the mitochondria or location of mitochondria. First, location of mitochondria. I will tell you first what is mitochondria. Then I will tell you who discovered this mitochondria and the location of the mitochondria. This mitochondria is almost present in all the aerobic eukaryotic cells. Aerobic eukaryotic cells. If we can say that where is its location, its location is that it is found in almost all the aerobic eukaryotic cells. And the mature blood cells lacks this mitochondria. And before the maturity of the red blood cells, this mitochondria is present. And this mitochondria is absent in all the prokaryotic cells. Though we can say that this mitochondria, if we talk about the location of the mitochondria, this mitochondria is almost present in all the aerobic eukaryotic cells and is also present in the mature blood cell, red blood cells. But if before the absent in mature blood cells and before the maturity of the red blood cells, they are also present in the red blood cells. And this mitochondria lacks in all the prokaryotic cells. Then we talk about its number. The number of the mitochondria varies from cell to cell. For example, 5 lakh number of mitochondria are present in insect flight cells, in insect muscle flying insects, muscle cells. 5 lakh mitochondria are present. 1000 mitochondria is present in only one mitochondria is present in chlamydomonas, algae. In sperm cells, 25 this mitochondria is present. In kidney, 300 to 400 mitochondria are present. In liver cells, 50 mitochondria are present. That means this mitochondria, number of this mitochondria varies from one cell to the another cell. Then if we talk about its shape, if we talk about the shape of this mitochondria, the mitochondria are just say shaped, but they may be oval, cylindrical, and spherical shaped also. If we talk about the shape of the mitochondria, they are side shaped, but they may be oval, cylindrical, and spherical shaped. The spherical shaped mitochondria range have 50 to 25 to 50 millimicrons, and oval shaped have 4 to 5 millimicrons, and others have 0.2 to 1 millimicrons in length. That is, they have different length and different shapes of the mitochondria. Now, size. This is the size of the mitochondria also. Now, what is the function of this mitochondria? We are discussing in generally. Functions. This mitochondria is considered as the powerhouse of the cell. Why it is called as the powerhouse of the cell? Because the energy required, or in other words, we can say that ATP, adenosine triphosphate, or हम कहते हैं cell mills. This mitochondria is called as the powerhouse of the cell because the cells require energy. This energy has been given only by this mitochondria. That is why it is called the powerhouse of the cell. Number second, they act as a seat for respiration in cells. They act as seat for respiration of the cells. They synthesize the chlorophyll, cytochromes, and steroids. They may also function, they regulate the calcium ions. Regulation of calcium ions and some other functions. Inshallah, thoroughly it will be discussed tomorrow again. That's enough, as I am not feeling well today. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.